Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing Blue Apron, one of the most popular meal kit delivery services out there. We'll be taking a look at everything from the quality of the ingredients to the taste of the meals and answering the question, is Blue Apron really as good as it claims to be in 2023? Well, let's find out. Now, if at any point you'd like to check out and try Blue Apron for yourself, you'll find helpful links in the description down below, including a discount code to save you some money. For starters, Blue Apron is a meal delivery service that delivers pre-portioned, pre-measured ingredients and recipes to your doorstep, allowing you to cook your own meals without the hassle of grocery shopping and meal planning. Blue Apron's mission is to make cooking accessible and enjoyable for everyone, while also promoting sustainable and responsible food practices. The most important aspect of a meal service is their menu. With Blue Apron, you get 70+ rotating recipes every week spread across 5 different categories: chef's favorite, wellness, family-friendly, fast and easy, and veggies. And what makes Blue Apron stand out from other meal kit services is their gourmet level recipes in their catalog. They have recipes from all around the world, and these recipes cater to all cooking skill levels. So whether you're just starting your cooking journey or you're an experienced cook that wants to try out new and exotic gourmet level recipes, Blue Apron's got you covered. Though one important downside to mention is that Blue Apron does not cater to a lot of dietary references like vegan diets. Now, you can go for the veggie options, but there will still be dairy products, so it might not be that suitable. Now, when it comes to ingredients, Blue Apron sources high quality ingredients from trusted suppliers and farmers who practice sustainable and ethical farming methods. These ingredients are carefully curated by Blue Apron's team of chefs and nutritionists to ensure that they meet their high standard of freshness, flavor, and nutritional value, and then they're delivered in pre-measured portions to ensure that there's minimal waste, and they are also packaged in eco-friendly materials to reduce their environmental impact. The ingredients are shipped in refrigerated boxes to maintain their freshness during transit. And when it comes to taste, Blue Apron does not hold back. I've used this service for quite some time, and every meal I cook still lingers in my taste buds. I've experienced new and colorful flavors that I've never thought of before, and they're a staple in my everyday cooking routine. And finally, when talking about portion sizes, Blue Apron offers 2 to 4 servings per recipe and 4 recipes per week. This means that you can order up to 16 servings per week, but don't let those numbers fool you. Whichever serving number you order, you can still add on more stuff on your order until you're satisfied. These numbers are only there to help their website be more user-friendly. And since we've mentioned customer support, Blue Apron has an extremely detailed FAQ page that might assist you with pretty much everything. And if you still need customer support, you can call them on their helpline within their operating hours. So overall, Blue Apron is still a great option for people who want to simplify their meal planning and cooking routine. While there is room for improvement in certain areas, such as offering more meal options for vegans, or those who prefer to exclude dairy, I still highly recommend Blue Apron for those who want to learn how to cook delicious meals, or for those who may feel tired of their current cooking routine and want to try something new. Blue Apron's high quality ingredients and chef design recipes can help improve your cooking skills and make mealtime more enjoyable. And of course, if you'd like to give Blue Apron a try with a little bit of a discount, feel free to use the coupon code I've linked in the description down below. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. And if you already tried Blue Apron, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.